Hello guys, so I have got this iPad Air 3 today, which came in as no power, and from another shop, and it says there's something wrong with my camera. Anyway, so say replace the charging port, but we can't just replace the charging port without not looking at it. So, and of course, it's not charging if you plug in here. Do you see here? So for me, it's not charging. As you can see, this should at least take 1.5 amp, whereas 0.37, and of course I have already checked it. The battery is charged. It is showing 3.8 volt, but still not charging, not turning on, so it's basically dead. So I don't think there's the charging port, so I will remove this here and we will do a little bit of diagnostic. And so first of all, let's disconnect the battery here. Okay, put it here, and now remove this. So I'm making this video after 1 month. I was on my annual holidays. I came back after 1 month with a little bit more shave. Lots of work in the queue. So okay, yep. Seems like you forget things, how to open once you come back after 1 month. So anyway, okay, first of all we will have a look under the microscope to see if we can see anything which is visual. On these iPads, sometimes if you did not disconnect the battery properly, this is where you might have burnt component here. So let's remove this first. Okay. Yeah, that all looks fine to me. Okay, and let me check here. So we will keep checking if we can find out any shorted component. No, that's not short. So this is showing me 51 ohms, which is not short. No, it's not short. Should I show you to the multimeter? Okay. So I thought maybe I should check it in diode mode. Okay, that's all good. All good. All good here. So this is ground side. That should be okay. So it's showing as 50 ohms. That's all good. 0.5. Yeah, this is showing bit of shorted. And this one here. Check closely. Honestly speaking, this is pretty low, and this is, I don't think, yeah, we'll just remove it. This look dodgy. Okay, now check it. Was it this easy repair? See, this was showing short, no short. Is that all? Okay, let's check it now. Now, first thing I have to check is if there is any change in the charging amps. Yep. See, I told you before it wasn't charging and it was, see, it's close to 1 amp now. It can go up to 2 amps depending, what sort of charger you are using. So this is just the normal charger which is connected here, but it's definitely charging now. And let's see if we have got the display. Let's disconnect the battery. These iPads, if you are putting the LCD, replacing the LCD, man, you always disconnect the battery, always, before you put the LCD. Otherwise you will regret rest of your life. It's gonna blow all the components here. Okay. So it's it's a bit tricky. Anyway, we'll do it. Okay, so now gently move it here. And okay, let's see if it has got any charged. Yep. So just letting you know, guys, the before I started, the other technician, they have already tested, it was not turning on. So let's, so straightforward and simple repair of faulty capacitor. Now the next thing is checking the charging. Okay, just a little bit here. Yep, as you can see, it's charging fine. So that's all done. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Bye.